squirrel tail. Oh, I'm gonna climb you. Oh, I'm gonna climb you. Oh, he's a good kitty, Pippin. Oh, such a love kitty. Repeat. Repeat. Oh, stretch. Hello, repeat.
This is Repeat.
Repeat.
Repeat is Pete's sister. She came from the same litter. She got sick out of the farm, not the same way Pete did. And now we take care of her. She's a very, very affectionate cat. She thinks people exist to give her laps and to give her hugs and stuff right now. Mark's trying to get her to see if she just woke up. She's kind of groggy, but
Another cat on.
and Mark has Pippin on him, so she's but now she's of course following him, going, oh, you want me? Oh, there she is. She says, pick me up, damn it.
Oh, we're gonna sharpen my claws on your leg. Yes, oh, yeah, we do. Repeat. Oh, yeah, oh, there's a lovely. Oh, purr, 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 purr.
Yeah, she's our official greeter. People come in the door, they can't get past her. And you must give her a hug. She is a big, huggy, lovey kitty. And that's Repeat. My, is it can be hugs time now, please, kitty?